Hello, today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019. This is the question number 4 from section A. As we know that JAM is a joint entrance examination for MSc at different IITs. So it is a very important examination for all the students who want to join IITs for their master degree courses. So let's start with this problem. Let U is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A subset S is chosen uniformly at random from the non-empty subset of U. Now, what is the probability that S doesn't have two consecutive elements? As this is an MCQ type problem, we need to find the correct answer among these four given options. So let's start with the solution. We have U equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Therefore, the total number of subset is 2 to the power n. Now here the value of n, that means the number of element, is 5, hence it results in 32. Now in this total number of subset, there is also a subset which is null set. So the total number of non-empty subsets is 32 minus 1, that means 31. Okay. Now let U1 be a arbitrary set which contains the elements 1, 3, and 5. Now from this set, the total number of subset is 2 to the power 3, that means 8. Again, let U2 be also event with two elements 2 and 4. And from this U2, the total number of subsets are 2 to the power 2, that means 4. So the total number of consecutive subset is 12. Total number of consecutive subset is 8 plus 4, 12. Therefore, our required probability is that S, which is a subset of U, doesn't have two consecutive elements. The required probability that S, which is a subset of U, doesn't have two consecutive elements. Okay. So it is equals to total number of non-consecutive subset divided by total number of non-empty subset. Total number of non-empty subset. Okay. Therefore, it results in 12 by 31. So option D is the correct answer. So we have successfully solved this problem, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.